Hello, this is Whitney from the Northlands Library Computer Center. For those of you interested in learning how to use the Libby app, this is an appropriate starting point. I am going to explain how to download and set up the Libby app on a mobile device. I am demonstrating these steps on an Android phone, however, both Android and Apple users can follow these steps on their own devices. For those of you unfamiliar with the Libby app, it is a free app for mobile devices that allows library card users to search for, check out, download, and read ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines. As a reminder, before downloading any app, make sure to connect to the internet using Wi-Fi. For example, you can see the Wi-Fi connection icon to the right of the alarm clock in the top right corner of my screen. After connecting to Wi-Fi, tap to open the App Store on your device. On an Android device, tap the Play Store icon on the home screen like this. Once the Play Store opens on my screen, I'll type the word Libby in the Search for Apps and Games box along the top of the screen. After I tap the search button on the on-screen keyboard, the Libby app appears. The icon contains a girl's head hidden behind an open teal-colored book. To add the app to my phone, I'll tap the green Install button to the right of the Libby by Overdrive title. Once the app installation completes, the Play Store prompts me to tap the green Open button to continue. Before I can start using the Libby app, I need to complete the setup process. On the Welcome screen, tap the Yes button at the bottom if you already have a library card. Next, you can see Libby provides you with multiple options for adding your preferred library's catalog of ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines. If you already set up Libby on another device, you can tap the first option entitled Copy from my other device. Or you can tap I'll search for a library in the middle of the screen to search for a particular library by name, city, or zip code. Lastly, Libby can use the location feature on your device to locate the library closest to you. If you would like to use that option, tap the question at the bottom called Yes, Guess My Library. Because I already know the name of the library I would like to add, I'll tap the I'll search for a library option. Next, I'll type Northland Library in the teal search box in the middle of the screen. Then I'll tap the on-screen keyboard search button to continue. Northland Public Library appears in a maroon square below the search box. The name Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh appears first because it provides the content that Northland users can link to and access within Libby. You can tap the maroon square to add the Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh catalog of content to Libby and continue with the setup process. Next, Libby asks for your library card information. For now, I'll tap the Skip this step option to continue. Libby then opens the library catalog that contains the electronic content you can search, borrow, and download. The last step in the setup process is to add and save your library card to Libby. Completing this step allows you to easily check out ebooks, audiobooks, or magazines without requiring you to remember and retype your card number every time you check out an item. To save your library card number in the Libby app, tap the Libby menu in the upper right corner of the screen. The menu is a half black and half white filled circle. After tapping the circle, find the Your Library section. Tap the maroon Add a Library Card option. Next, you can tap the maroon Enter Library Account Details option. After typing the number in the card number box, you can tap the Sign In option below it. Once you sign in with one library card, you can tap the teal Back button twice and repeat the steps to add more library cards to Libby. This is helpful if you would like to share and sync your content among the multiple members of your household. This completes the Libby download and app setup demonstration. If you have any questions about getting started with Libby, please feel free to email the Computer Center at nplcomp@einetwork.net. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your further exploration and use of the Libby app.